In this video, I'm going to show you how you can export just a small selection of your Final Cut Pro timeline. Hey there, welcome to the video. I'm Mark Brown from Editor's Keys. Now, as mentioned in this super quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how, let's say you've got a 10-minute timeline and you just want to export maybe 30 seconds in the middle for yourself or for a client, how you can do that. So before I jump into Final Cut, consider subscribing if you're new here or if you're into Final Cut or filmmaking. Anyway, let's jump into it. Okay, so we're now on the Mac. We've got the SL600 microphone plugged in and ready to go. So here I've got a project. This is an hour-long podcast I did with the guys over at Authy Active for the Startup Dynamics podcast, a really good podcast about business. If you want to check that out, I'll put a link in the description below. But let's just say you have a project like this, and normally if you go to export, it's going to export the entire timeline. What about if you just want to export maybe a tiny portion for social media, or you want to show it to another person in your team to check on before you export the final video? Well, there's a really quick and simple way to do this. All you need to do is remember one keyboard shortcut, and that is the R. And when you press that, you'll see that the range selection tool will appear there on your timeline and cursor. And then all you need to do is click in the main storyline, drag this across here, and you can see that says 705. And it will actually export the footage above this part of the timeline here as well. So once you've done that, that is pretty much all you need to do. Go to File, Export. For time, let's just go to 720p, but of course you can do it in any resolution. And you can see here, we've got a 7-minute clip. It will be, or 7-second clip, sorry. It will be 6.4 megabytes. And you can even drag over and play it back to make sure it is the right selection of timeline. And once you do that, we can export that to the desktop, and that's how easy it is. So there you go. That's how you can export a small section of your Final Cut Pro timeline. I hope that helped. Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.